Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And at the second line we have device type. Click at this line, and right here you need to select Headphone. And now we just set it, so if we go back we can see that this device uses Headphone device type. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!